What do you make about the ongoing situation, the military conflict in Gaza?
It breaks my heart to think that there are 9 countries who are still holding back on even a ceasefire. What is happening in Gaza is at the moment, more than 81% of the people have been displaced. They have been put into temporary accommodation that has been bombed. Their soil is being destroyed. The hospitals have been bombed. In addition to that, when I visited Gaza in 2006, that was the last time, the importance of the bakeries. Having brought to our country, the bakeries were so important. And the putting together of an entirely unaccountable body, the Gaza Global Foundation, located in Switzerland, from which its head has resigned because he has said he cannot work with an agency that supplies, that is not in accordance with international law, that militarizes aid and so on. And actually one of the things you should look at is what is in the boxes that they're distributing. Far be it from me to speak about any delay in anyone getting any relief. But they are branded products being got ready for the future private sector of retail. You can just look at the wrappings. Imagine giving a starving person something wrapped in your own brand so that you will have opportunities in the future. I think the time has come. This is when in fact nobody would justify what took place in last October. I condemned it and so did others. But I have to say that in my recent years as president, when I criticized Prime Minister Netanyahu for his actions, I know, because I have been often interviewed and harassed before, there are people in Israel who don't support him. There are people all over the world who don't support him. But if you criticize Netanyahu's policies, you are then described as being anti-Semitic. That is a disgrace and a slander. And it has been a slander against Ireland, against individuals, including myself. People, for example, who have worked all their lives in relation to human rights activity. And I think that it has been given too much space. The idea that a propaganda campaign against Ireland is now active in the United States, so that when we are seeking to have meetings with people who are for example, interested in investing in Ireland, they're being contacted in advance with a suggestion by saying, you must open by asking, why is Ireland so against the United States position on Israel? And what happens, of course, is this. We are among the best informed people, thanks to all those families who sent their soldiers, daughters and sons on peacekeeping to the Lebanon and elsewhere. And I salute them, because when they come back, they tell the truth of what was their experience. And some of them have operated under conditions of fire. But Gaza what we must now do, and this is a very important I think that
it's okay. It's fine there. Fine.
No, I just want to say that, and it is very important to me, is the proposal I made at the famine commemoration in Kilmallock. There is an opportunity for the General Assembly. If the Security Council doesn't act, the General Assembly cannot special measures for peace. It can have a special session and it can override the Security Council. And in fact, contrary to what has been said, that this has been only used in the case of Korea, it has been used 11 times. And now is the time. Today is the day for food and medical aid and water to be made available. And I salute all those who are trying to do that.